Dear students, in the last video we have seen the properties of touching circles. Now in this video we have to see the arc of a circle and properties of arc, measure of arc, arcs of congruent chords, central angle and its properties, and also we have to see practice set 3.3 in this video. I hope that you must see the complete video, and if you like my video then like and subscribe the channel to get the next videos. आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण आर्क ऑफ अ सर्कल मीन्स व्हॉट इज मीन बाय वर्तुळ कंस हे या ठिकाणी शिकणार आहोत. लेट अस सी दिस फिगर. इन दिस फिगर K is a secant. K is a secant of the circle of center C. Due to this secant, the circle is divided into two parts. That is, first part is like this. This is first part, and second part is like this. Okay. These two parts are called as a arc of a circle. म्हणजे वर्तुळाच्या छेदिकेमुळे वर्तुळाचे जे दोन भाग होतात या प्रत्येक भागाला वर्तुळ कंस असे म्हणतात. नाउ these two parts are write as a arc AXB and arc AYB. Arc AXB, arc AYB. Okay, means कंस AXB, कंस AYB. Okay, these are the two parts which are made by secant, that is छेदिका ट्रान्सव्हर्सल. त्यामुळे जे दोन भाग तयार होतात या प्रत्येक भागाला we said that arc. Arc are of the two types, that is major arc and minor arc. म्हणजे त्याला आपण विशाल वर्तुळ कंस आणि लघु वर्तुळ कंस असं म्हणतो. What is meant by major arc? If the center of circle lies on one side of a secant, then the arc on that side is called as a major arc. Center of a circle lies on one side of the secant. Secant आपली K. K is our secant and center lies on this. That's why arc AYB is a major arc. Means major arc is arc AYB. Major arc is arc AYB. And on the other side is called as a minor arc. म्हणजे दुसऱ्या बाजूचा जो आर्क असतो त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, मायनर आर्क किंवा लघु कंस. म्हणजे लघु कंस कुठला आहे, आर्क AXB is a minor arc, arc AYB is a major arc. Okay, now we have to see the next topic in this chapter, that is central angle. Central angle. What is meant by central angle? Let us see. There is a one circle. Let us draw a circle like this. In this circle, suppose center is O and this is angle AOB. Here is point P, here is point Q. Let's see, we have just studied an arc. In this circle there are also two arcs, that is arc APB and arc AQB. APB is a minor arc, AQB is a major arc. Now we have to see central angle means केंद्रीय कोन. केंद्रीय कोन म्हणतो आपण मराठीवाल्यांसाठी. central angle means केंद्रीय कोन. What is central angle? When the vertex of angle, when the vertex of an angle lies on the center of a circle, then that angle is called central angle. Central angle. When the vertex of an angle lies on the center of a circle means this is angle AOB, whose vertex is O. Also the center of circle is also O. That's why angle AOB is a central angle. Means angle AOB is a central angle. म्हणजे जेव्हा एखाद्या कोनाचा शिरोबिंदू हा वर्तुळाच्या केंद्रबिंदूवर असतो त्यावेळेस त्या कोनाला काय म्हणतात, केंद्रीय कोन असं म्हणतात. इफ मेजर ऑफ दिस अँगल इज अ थिटा. मेजर ऑफ दिस अँगल इज अ थिटा. नाउ वी हॅव टू लर्न द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दॅट इज मेजर ऑफ आर्क. मेजर ऑफ आर्क. For compare of two arcs, we need to know their measure. Each and everything we require to measure that physical quantity. Okay, that's purpose I have to measure this arc. Means what is the measure of arc APB? The measure of any arc, the measure of any arc is always equal to the central angle, is always equal to the central angle. Let us see the measure of this central angle AOB is theta. What is the measure of this arc? This arc is also APB. Arc, measure arc APB is equal to 30 degree, theta degree. Measure of arc APB is equal to theta degree. Okay, in this way we can measure the measure of arc. Now what is the measure of major arc? Major arc म्हणजे विशाल वर्तुळ कसं, measure of major arc is equal to 360 minus measure of minor arc. आता आपण पाहिलं पहा, एखाद्या आर्कचा जो मेजर आहे तो कशावरून ठरवतात, मेजर ऑफ दॅट सेंट्रल अँगल. बट व्हॉट इज द मेजर ऑफ दिस मेजर आर्क? म्हणजे विशाल वर्तुळ कंसाचं माप काय असेल? ठीक आहे, या कंसाचं माप झालं थिटा. मग ह्या कंसाचं माप किती असेल? वी नो दॅट द टोटल मेजर ऑफ अ सर्कल इज 360 डिग्री. म्हणजे एकूण पूर्ण वर्तुळाचं माप जे आहे हे पूर्ण वर्तुळाचं माप किती असतं? 360 अंश असतं. Means we have to subtract this theta from 360. Means the measure of major arc is equal to 360 minus measure of minor arc. Let us take a small example here. If the measure of this angle AOB is 60 degree. Suppose measure of this angle AOB is 60 degree. Then what is the measure of arc APB? Measure of arc APB is also a 60 degree because central angle is 60 degree. And what is the measure of arc AQB? म्हणजे ह्या AQB चं माप किती असेल? तर 360 मधून 60 गेले, खाली किती राहिले? 300. म्हणजेच या आर्कचं माप किती असेल? 300 डिग्री. Okay, in this way you have to solve the examples in practice 3.3. Now our next topic is measure of arcs. मला समजलं सगळ्यांना? पहा, आतापर्यंत आपण काय काय पाहिलंय या ठिकाणी. आर्क ऑफ अ सर्कल, व्हॉट इज मीन बाय आर्क. देन वी हॅव सी द सेंट्रल अँगल. द अँगल हुज व्हर्टेक्स इज ऑन द सेंटर इज कॉल्ड एज अ सेंट्रल अँगल. देन मेजर ऑफ आर्क. मेजर ऑफ अँड सेंट्रल अँगल इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू द मेजर ऑफ अँड मायनर आर्क. म्हणजे दिस, इफ दिस इज 60, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ 60. हे लक्षात ठेवा, because we have to use this property to solve the examples in practice set 3.3. Our next topic is congruence of arc. Congruence of arc. Congruent arc. ARC. म्हणजे एकरूप कंस. त्याला आपण मराठीमधून काय म्हणणार आहेत? एकरूप कंस. आता ज्यावेळेस कंस कधी एकरूप असतील, सपोज देर इज अ circle like this and these are the angles. This is 60 degree, this is O, A, B and C. Now here are two arcs, arc AB and arc BC. Arc AB and arc BC. Measure of arc AB is equal to 60. Measure of arc BC is equal to also 60. Okay, because their central angles are congruent, that is 60 60. AB is congruent to BC. म्हणजेच आपण या ठिकाणी म्हणतो arc AB is congruent to arc BC. Means if the measure of two arcs are equal, then we say that these two arcs are congruent arc, but necessary condition is their radius must be same. आता हे एकाच वर्तुळाचे आर्क असल्यामुळे that is also same, पण रेडियस मात्र काय पाहिजे, सेम असेल. तर त्या दोन आर्कचं जर मेजर म्हणजे अंशात्मक माप जर सेम असेल तर दॅट टू आर्क्स आर कॉल्ड ॲज अ congruent arc. Now next what we have to see, we have to see the chords of corresponding arcs. Chords of corresponding arcs. पहा ह्याच्यात दोन थेरम आहे. There are two theorems on this, but only we have to study the property of arcs. Suppose there is a circle like this and there is a one chord that is AB. I have to draw another chord that is CD. Now chord AB is congruent to chord CD. म्हणजेच these two chords are equal chords. These two are equal chords. But what is the measure of this? Suppose AXB is arc, CYD is also another arc. But what is the measure of this arc? If these two chords are congruent, then their corresponding arcs are also congruent. Then arc AXB is congruent to arc CYD. लक्षात आलं? जर या दोन कॉर्ड्स म्हणजे ह्या दोन जीवा एकरूप असतील तर त्या जीवांचे आर्क AXB and CYD are also congruent, and vice versa. Vice versa means if these two arcs are congruent, AXB is congruent to CYD, then that chord AB is congruent to chord CD. म्हणजे थोडक्यात काय की एकरूप जीवांचे कंस एकरूप असतात किंवा एकरूप कंसांच्या जीवा सुद्धा एकरूप असतात. दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज युज्ड टू सॉल्व द एक्झाम्पल्स इन द नेक्स्ट चॅप्टर. लक्षात राहील सगळ्या. इफ chords are equal, then their corresponding arcs are also equal. If arcs are equal, then their corresponding chords are also equal. हा जो प्रॉपर्टी, ही प्रॉपर्टी तुम्ही काय करा, लक्षात ठेवा. नाउ using these all properties we have learned in this video, we have to solve the practice set 3.3. Let us see practice set 3.3. In a figure, I have read the example. In the figure GDEF, let us see where is GDEF are concyclic points of the circle with center C. म्हणजे हे जे बिंदू आहेत DEFG हे बिंदू काय आहेत, वर्तुळावर आहेत. इफ अँगल ECF, where is angle CF? ECF is a 70. Let us write here 70. Okay. Major arc DGF is a 200. Then find major arc D. I have to find out the value of this D and major arc DEF also. Let us see. एक्झाम्पल लक्षात आलं का तुमच्या? पहा, मराठीमधून सांगतो एकदा, इंग्लिशवाल्यांनी हे एक्झाम्पल वाचा. DEFG हे बिंदू वर्तुळावर आहेत. कोन ECFचं माप 70 अंश आहे. कंस DGF 200. तर तुम्हाला कंस DEचं माप आणि कंस DEFचं माप काय करायचं, त्यांनी काय केले, सोडवायला सांगितले किंवा काढायला सांगितले. नाउ what they have given us, they have given us center angle ECF is equal to 70 degree. Now what is the major arc EF? major arc EF is equal to also 70 degree because central angle is 70 degree. That's why measure of this arc is also 70 degree. Also 70 degree. Okay. Now what I have to find out? I have to find out the arc, measure of arc D. Jar tumhi figure, let us see the figure. In this figure, I know the measure of DGF, I know the measure of EF, and I have to find the measure of D. Means I know the measure of whole circle is 360. Write this measure arc D, measure arc DE plus measure arc EF plus measure arc DGF, measure arc DGF is equal to 360 degree. बघा याचं माप अधिक याचं माप अधिक ह्या पूर्णचं माप म्हणजे टोटल सर्कल आहे. टोटल सर्कल, the measure of total circle is 360 degree. Now put the values which I know. Measure arc DE, I don't know, that's why I write here DE. What is the measure of EF? EF is a 70. What is DEF? Is a 200, which is equal to 360. Now measure arc DE plus 270 is equal to 360 degree. Now next step is measure arc DE is equal to 360 minus 270. 360 minus 270, the subtraction is 90 degree. Means measure arc DE is equal to 90 degree. We will get the first answer. Answer that measure arc D is equal to 90 degree. बा पूर्ण वर्तुळाचं माप किती? 360. 360 मधून ह्याचं 200 माप, याचं 70 माप, मग राहिले याचं किती? 90. म्हणजे 360 मधून ह्या दोघांची बेरीज काय केली मी? वजा केली. बरोबर आहे? ओके. नाउ व्हॉट आय हॅव टू फाइंड आउट? आय हॅव टू फाइंड आउट मेजर आर्क DEF. DEF पहा, डीचं मला माहिती, डीचं आता काढलं मी 90, EFचं किती? 70. या दोघांची काय केली पाहिजे? मी ऍडिशन केलं पाहिजे. नाउ मेजर आर्क DEF is equal to measure arc DE plus measure arc EF. बघा DE plus EF बरोबर आहे. Sum of the measures of two arcs means what I will get here? 90 degree plus 70 degree, that is 160 degree. Means measure arc DEF is equal to 160 degree. In this way we can solve the any example basis on central angle and measure of arc with the help of today's video. अशा प्रकारे आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.3 या ठिकाणी काय करू शकतो? सोडवू शकतो. आय होप दॅट हा व्हिडिओ तुमच्या सर्वांच्या लक्षात आला असेल आणि प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.3 मधले एक्झाम्पल्स जे आहेत हे तुम्ही हा व्हिडिओ परत एकदा पाहून निश्चितपणे काय करू शकता? सोडवू शकता. या ठिकाणी थांबतो. जर व्हिडिओ आवडला तर लाईक आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.